So the question is, can you really make money online? Because you hear a lot of people talking, can you make $1,000 a day, $100 a day, $200 a day? All these things that they talking about. Because the irony is, the people teaching you how to make money online are actually using the videos that they are watching that is teaching you how to make money online to make money themselves. The people teaching you how to make money online are actually using the videos that they are watching that is teaching you how to make money online to make money themselves.
You get it?
Okay.
If you don't get it, forget about it.
So they don't really tell you how to make this money because they themselves they want to make money. So I'm about to give you a proper blueprint to see if you can make money online or you cannot make money online. But the problem is you need to equip yourself with a proper skill. There are so many skills online right now. There are virtual assistants, there are graphic designers, there are video editors, there are photo editors, videographers, web developers. But what you need to know is the easier the skill, the more saturated it is. Which means getting those particular jobs online are going to be very difficult because it's easy. Everybody is doing it. So it's going to be very difficult for you to get those particular jobs. So the higher the value of your skill, the possibility of you making money online. Number one, you need a high value skill. There are so many skills you can learn that is based on your own discretion. So whichever skill you want to learn, it is your own problem. So number one, you need a high value skill. After you get a high value skill, now you need to look for where you can sell this high value skill. These are the two major criteria of making money online. So let me use myself as an example. I've acquired a lot of skills over the period of years I've been doing business. I do graphic designing, I do video editing, I do copywriting, I do e-commerce, I do podcasting. So I have all these skills in my portfolio. But where I am specializing is e-commerce. So e-commerce is where I bring my value. So when I go online and looking for jobs, I go looking for e-commerce jobs because that is where I know I can bring a lot of value and that is where I can make more money when I'm delivering those kind of services. So now that we've been able to establish the high value skill, the next thing to do is to look for where to sell the high value skill. So let's assume you want to do copywriting. First of all, you need to be able to persuade people with words. You need to know how to write very, very good copies for businesses. Or let's say you want to do web development. You need to have the basic skills like HTML, CSS, WordPress, JavaScript. These are basic skills you need to have if you want to enter web development. Another one is digital marketing. If you want to be a digital marketer, you need to understand how Facebook ads are working, Instagram ads, running pixels, know your audience. These are skills you need to have. Or let's say you want to be a video editor. You need to know how to use Final Cut, Adobe Premiere, After Effects, DaVinci Resolve. Or you want to be a graphic designer. You need to know how to use Photoshop, Lightroom, Illustrator. These skills are fundamental skills you need to have to actually bring value to the table before you go out there looking for any jobs. So now let's assume you have these skills. Now we have to go out there and go and look for jobs. And one thing you should remember that the skills that you have, thousands and thousands of people have. See, when it comes to even only web development, the Indian people, plenty, they chow rough. So for you to actually get a job as a web developer, you have to make sure that you are very knowledgeable in the value that you are bringing than the Indian people. You understand? So let me rephrase that part again. So the value of your skill is going to be determined based on how knowledgeable you are than your competitors, the people you are trying to apply the jobs with. You need to be more knowledgeable than these people before you can get a job. And probably your portfolio, the amount of work you've done. Because when you are applying for jobs, your clients are going to look at your portfolio, the kind of work you've done out there. I hope I'm giving you enough clarity. So there's a lot of money to be made out there. But what you need to know is you need to have a high value skill. Without these high value skills, you are wasting your time. See, as I said, the easier it is to make the money online, the more saturated it is. Meaning your chances of actually making money online becomes limited because everybody wants to do it. So you raise your value, you make more money. You raise your value, you get more jobs. You raise your value and you make more and more and more and more money. I hope I've given you enough value for today. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, share. Accra we day for Use Your Mind.